In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove video background in CapCut PC. So basically we have two options to do this. For example, we can work with just a simple video without any green screen or something like this. So like this video, and we also can try to deal with video which has a green screen, so just a simple green screen. We can deal with both of them, but the easiest one is just to use the green screen. I will show you two ways, so just wait. Firstly, green screen. Okay, just select the necessary video on your timeline and then just go to video here and then just go to cutout. So after that, just use chroma key, pick the necessary color, and then just work with strange and shadows to make your chroma key looks naturally and without any green parts. So now it looks like this. So if we'll make our strange parameter less, we can see some green borders or something like this. So the other way we can deal with just this video, all you need is just to select it. So click on it. After that, your white border will appear on this video. And after that, go to video in the right top corner and go to cutout tool. We can try to use chroma key, but it won't work. But what will work is just to auto cutout. So you can see that it only supports auto recognition of portraits. So click on it. And after that, as you can see, our man was successfully cutouted from the stand, but the other persons are also here, so it doesn't work really correctly with a lot of people. So if you want to use it correctly, I suggest you to just use the single videos with only one person on the frame. So this is a way how you can remove the backgrounds on your videos. I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. I also suggest you to watch my other videos. Goodbye.